Chapter 14. Relative clauses. What are relative clauses? A relative clause is a subordinate clause that modifies a noun or a noun phrase. Example: the man who is speaking is the principal. The noun the man is modified by the relative clause who is speaking. Relative clauses give essential information to define or identify the person or thing we are talking about. How to use relative clauses? They are used to provide extra information. This information can either define something, defining clause. Example: the girl who is standing there is a world champion in karate. Or provide unnecessary but interesting information. Non-defining clause. Example: Michael Jackson, who was a famous singer, died of an overdose. Relative clauses can be introduced by: first, a relative pronoun: who, whom, which, that, whose. Example: the man who is standing there is a famous writer. Second, a relative adverb: where, why, and when. Example: the restaurant where I have dinner is nice. Third, none of the above. Example: the man I met is extremely wealthy. Relative pronouns: who, subject or object pronoun for people. Example: they caught the lady who killed her baby. Which, subject or object pronoun. Example: I read the book which is on the table. I visited the town which you told me about. Which, referring to a whole sentence. Example: they were unsuccessful, which is disappointing. Whom, used for object pronoun for people, especially in non-restrictive relative clauses. In restrictive relative clauses, use who. Example: the boy whom you told me about got the best grades in science. That, subject or object pronoun for people, animals, and things in restrictive relative clauses. Who or which are also possible. Example: I like the vase that is over there. Relative adverbs: where, referring to a place. Example: the restaurant where I usually have dinner is quite spacious. When, referring to a time. Example: there are times when I feel so lonely. Why, referring to a reason. Example: this is why she turned down the offer. Subject pronoun or object pronoun. You can distinguish subject and object pronouns as follows. If the relative pronoun is not followed by a noun or pronoun, it is a subject pronoun. Subject relative pronouns can never be omitted, dropped. Examples: the mango which is lying on the table is sweet. The teacher who lives next door is nice. If the relative pronoun is followed by a noun or pronoun, the relative pronoun is an object pronoun. Object relative pronouns can be omitted, dropped in restrictive, defining relative clauses. Examples: the film which we watched yesterday was fantastic. The writer who or whom we met last weekend is very famous. Restrictive relative clauses. First, restrictive, identifying or defining relative clauses give detailed information. They are not put between commas. Example: I know the man who is standing there. Second, these clauses are often used in definitions. Example: A novelist is someone who writes novels. Third, object pronouns in these clauses can be omitted. Drop. Example, the boy who or whom we met yesterday is from Malaysia. Non-restrictive relative clauses. Non-restrictive, non-identifying or non-defining relative clauses give interesting additional information which is not necessary to the meaning of the sentence. These clauses are put between commas. Example, Martin Luther King, who is known for his fight for the civil rights, was assassinated in 1968. Note, in non-restrictive relative clauses, first, who or which may not be replaced with that. Example, Mishka, who we met yesterday, is very nice. Not Mishka that we met yesterday is very nice. Second, object relative pronouns cannot be dropped. Example, Mishka, who we met yesterday, is very nice. Not Mishka we met yesterday is very nice. Use of relative pronouns. Relative pronoun, use, example or sentence. Who, subject or object pronoun for people. I told you about the woman who lives next door. Which, subject or object pronoun for animals and things. Do you see the cat which is lying on the roof? Which, referring to a whole sentence. He could not read, which surprised me. Whose, possession for people, animals and things. Do you know the boy whose mother is a nurse? Whom, object pronoun for people, especially in non-defining relative clauses. In defining relative clauses, we colloquially prefer who. I was invited by the professor whom I met at the conference. Relative pronoun, use, example or sentence. That, subject or object pronoun for people, animals and things in defining relative clauses. Who or which are also possible. I don't like the table that stands in the kitchen. Relative adverb, meaning, use, example or sentence. When, in or on which, refers to a time expression. The day when we met him. Where, in or at which, refers to a place. The place where we met him. Why, for which, refers to a reason. The reason why we met him.